dear students. How are you all? Hope you're fine at home and doing really well at home. So, my name is Mrs. Neha Nanda and I'm an English developer. So, today we are going to start with our English work. So, please take out your English book, that is Hands on English. So, today what we are going to do? We are going to do exercise on page number 9 and 10 related to proper noun, material noun, and common noun. First of all, let's revise what is common noun, proper noun, and material noun on page number 6. So please take out your books, everyone. That is hands on English, everyone, and please get ready with your pencils also. I'm waiting for you. Please take out your books, pencils. Okay, everyone. So now page number 6. Everybody is on page number 6. Good. Now let's start with the work proper noun. So you can see one side there is written as Mother Teresa served the poor. Taj Mahal is made up of white marble. So Mother Teresa and Taj Mahal both are the proper noun. The name of specific person, places, things or idea. Whenever we are talking about specific person, the name of specific person, place, thing or idea. Mother Teresa, there is only one Mother Teresa, so she served the poor. So Mother Teresa, M capital, T capital. So the proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Then Taj Mahal. There is Taj Mahal. It is a monument. You can see this monument in Agra. Fine. So Taj Mahal is made up of white marble. So here Taj Mahal is your proper noun, and white marble. Marble is your material noun. So what is a material noun? Material noun, name of a material of which things are made. So white marble made up of white marble. So white marble here is your material noun. So furniture is generally made up of wood. So wood is your material noun. Wheat and flour. So bread is made of flour. So flour is your material noun. Then we have a common noun. So chocolate. I enjoy eating Snickers chocolate. So chocolate, common noun chocolate, but Snickers means proper noun. We are giving the name to the chocolate, that is Snickers. Then teacher. Mrs. Smith is my teacher. Mrs. Smith, M capital S capital. This means proper noun, and teacher means common noun. So name of non-specific. Non-specific means we are just taking the category of that particular thing, like chocolate. There are many chocolates. So here we are taking the name, specific name, then it will become a proper noun. Okay. So non-specific people, places, things or ideas. So you have to keep these points in your mind that proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Okay, they will always start with a capital letter, whether they are coming in the starting of the sentence, in the middle of the sentence, or in the end of the sentence. Okay, material noun, when the common noun or a proper noun, you can say a proper noun is made up of some particular thing. That thing, made up thing, is a material noun. For example, Taj Mahal is made up of white marble. So Taj Mahal is a proper noun, but that material used to make that Taj Mahal is white marble. Getting this point? Then we have a common noun. The categories. Fine. The main categories like teachers. Teacher. Teacher, there is your Hindi teacher, there is an English teacher, there is an EVS teacher. We are talking about teacher here. But the name of that teacher, for example, Mrs. Neha, fine, Mrs. Nancy. So this is the name of your teacher. So the specific name is a proper noun. And a common name is teacher. That all these are your teachers. Getting this point? So on the basis of this, we are going to do page number 9. So in notes, you can see here, study these sentences below. Ravi is a plumber. Ravi is a proper noun. Ravi is a proper noun and plumber is a common noun. Okay, everybody on page number 9 reading with me. Everybody read these sentences with me. Ravi is a plumber. Ravi is a plumber. So Ravi, proper noun, name of a person. Plumber. There are many plumbers in this world. Fine, but we are talking about Ravi. So Ravi is a proper noun and plumber common noun. Then Geeta is a nurse. Geeta, proper noun, because we are taking the name of a particular nurse. Then nurse, common noun. They come from a country called England. So England is your proper noun and country is your common noun. They live in Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal. Now they live in Kolkata. So Kolkata and West Bengal, proper noun, name of a proper place, Kolkata. So Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. So West Bengal is also name of a proper state. So Kolkata is a capital. So Kolkata and West Bengal are proper noun, and capital is a common noun. Then they have their dinner at Yo China restaurant. So restaurant is your common noun. Dinner, common noun. And your proper noun is Yo China. So you have a definition here. A common noun is the name of a given is a name given to a person, place, or a thing of a same kind or classes or a class. For example, plumber, nurse, country, and state. There are many plumbers, there are many nurses, there are many countries, there are many states. But when we are talking about particular plumber, nurse, country, or state, then it will become a proper noun. A proper noun is the name of a specific person, place, or thing. For example, Ravi, Geeta, and England. So there are many plumbers to whom Ravi is a specific plumber. There are many nurses, both male and female, to whom Geeta is one. There are many countries of which England is one of a specific country. All proper noun begins with a capital letter. You can see here all the proper noun begins with a capital letter, that is Ravi, Geeta, and England. Getting this point? So everyone please keep these particular points in your brain, okay? Don't forget that this proper noun, the proper noun always comes in the capital letter. So we are going to connect the common noun to the proper noun on page number 9. So everybody is ready with their pencils? Yes or no? Okay. So common noun, let's boy, person, river, monument, storybook. Can you read all these common nouns? Girl, boy, person, river, monument, storybook. So here, proper noun, Taj Mahal, Yamuna, Cinderella, Coco, Robert, then Mrs. Sharma. So let's join now. Girl, any girl. Coco, a specific girl called Coco. So common noun is girl for this particular girl. But when you are talking about Coco, then we are talking about specific girl called Coco. So you're going to join this. Then boy, any boy, a specific boy called Robert. So you're going to join boy with Robert. Okay. Then person. Then person. Then person. Miss Sharma. Mrs. Sharma. Then river, then river, Yamuna, then Yamuna. Monument, Taj Mahal, monument, Taj Mahal, monument, Taj Mahal. And particular name of storybook, so Cinderella. So Cinderella. So you can see here when we are talking about common noun, any girl but the name of a specific girl will be a proper noun. Any girl will be a common noun. Any boy, common noun. Any specific boy called Robert, like Robert, it will be your proper noun. Person, Mrs. Sharma. We are talking about particular person, that is Mrs. Sharma. Then river, Yamuna, monument, Taj Mahal, and storybook, Cinderella. There are many storybooks. One of those are Cinderella. Okay. So now we are going to do page number 10. Everybody on page number 10, please. Everybody. So in the notes, you can see a common noun does not begin with a capital letter. For example, park, girl, cat, or table. And this you're going to notice. Did you notice two important facts about a proper noun? So you're going to notice these facts in above sentences. In the above sentences, that is, it names a specific, usually one kind of a person, place, person, or thing. Then it is a proper noun, and it begins with the capital letter, no matter what and where it occurs in the sentence. So let's begin with module 4. So what you're going to do in module 4, underline the common nouns and write the proper nouns in the space provided. Underline the common nouns and write the proper noun in the space provided. So read the sentences with me, everyone. First sentence is Kavita played with her sister. Kavita played with her sister. So sister means common noun, and Kavita starting with a capital letter means proper noun. So you're going to write here Kavita. Please write in a neat handwriting. I'm saying it again and again. Then you have question number 2. Come to sentence number 2. Universal Bookseller is a famous bookstore. Universal Booksellers is a famous bookstore. So bookstore, common noun. Bookstore, common noun. And universal bookseller, proper noun. So you're going to write universal universal book seller. Okay, Universal Booksellers is a famous bookstore. Then India is a large country. India is a large country. India, name of a country. Country, common noun. India, proper noun. So you're going to write proper noun here. Then Station Road is a busy street. Station Road is a busy street. I'm watching you all. Please write your answers with me. Street, street, common noun. Station road, proper noun. So whenever you're going to write a proper noun, write in a capital letter. Start with a capital letter, everyone. Don't write in a small letter. The starting letter, the start letter, the first letter should be capital. Station road. Then Mohan is playing with his friend. Mohan, proper noun, and friend, common noun. The friend underline, and Mohan, M capital, proper noun. Okay, everyone? Good. Now we are going to do module 5. Sirius is a brightest star. So you're going to underline star, and Sirius is your proper noun because it's the name of a star. Then Rima does not have a pencil. Pencil, common noun. Proper noun, Rima. So you're going to write Rima here. Rima, Rima. Then Dr. Patel is a good dentist. Dr. Patel is a good dentist. Dr. Patel, proper noun. Very good. Dr. Patel, proper noun. Good answer. Then dentist, common noun. Very good. Then the Ganga is the one of the largest rivers. The Ganga is one of the largest river. The Ganga is one of the largest river. Ganga, proper noun. So you're going to write Ganga, Ganges. Gangas भी बोलते हैं इसको, गंगा बोलते हैं हम वैसे. And then rivers. So you're going to write, underline the rivers. So, on question number 4, sentence number 4, the Ganges is one of the largest river. So, river is your common noun and the Gangas is your proper noun. Then, my brother lives in New Delhi. My brother lives in New Delhi. So, brother, yes, the brother, common noun, and New Delhi, proper noun. Okay, New Delhi, proper noun. So you're going to write in a capital letter and saying it again and again. So in this particular manner, you're going to complete your page number 9 and 10, that is module 3, 4 and 5. And similarly, you're going to color your blocks from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is for unit 2. You're going to color your blocks 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, about nouns. About nouns. Getting this point? So, you're going to complete your page number 9 and 10. So, in this particular page, we are talking about the common noun and the proper noun. Okay, so please take out your diaries, everyone. So, before writing your diary, there is a last minute task for you. So, this you are going to send me immediately as you soon you so this is your last minute task. You're going to write any five names of monuments. You're going to write any names of monuments, and you're going to send me this particular task answer till 9:30. Okay, till 9:30. You're going to give me the answers till 9:30. Getting this point? This is your last minute task. Write any five names of monuments. Okay, and write any five names of monuments, and you're going to give me this answer till 9:30. Now it's time for your diary. So please take out your diaries. That is date. In English column, you're going to mention the date, and then in English column, you're going to write do page number 9 and 10. Do page number 9 and 10. So do complete your work and do give me the answer of last minute task by 9:30. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.